This is question 4 related to maintenance management. For the following data obtained from 100 days, find the breakdown maintenance cost and preventive maintenance cost and conclude which one to adopt. Number of breakdowns is given as 0 to 4 and how many days it happened, frequency in terms of days, the totaling to 100 because here also they specified 100. They also specified here breakdown maintenance cost is rupees 1,500 per breakdown. Preventive maintenance cost is rupees 1,000 per day, and preventive maintenance will reduce the breakdown to 1 per day. So that is the benefit of preventive maintenance, they say indirectly. Now we need to first consider or find out what are the average number of breakdowns. So for that, let me create one more column here. Number of breakdowns we will consider as variable x, and the frequency we'll call it as f. So here we will have f into x. So that we will calculate it here. 0 into 10, it is 0. Then 20. Then the 2 into 30, 60. This is 45. This is 100. Now if we add, we will get 2 to 5. So we can say now the average number of breakdowns is summation of fx divided by summation of f, which is 225 divided by 100. So we get 2.25 breakdowns per day. Right. Next, breakdown maintenance cost we'll calculate. It is given 1,500 rupees per breakdown. So rupees 1,500 multiplied by 2.25. I'm sorry, 2.25. Breakdowns per day. That will give us the total cost of breakdown as 3375. Now let us calculate preventive maintenance cost. Per day. One is by doing preventive maintenance, it will reduce the breakdowns to 1 per day. So that minimum breakdown cost we will have to consider. One into rupees 1,500 per day. That will be 1,500. Then preventive maintenance cost will be, they say per day it is 1,000. So together it is 2,500. This is the preventive maintenance cost per day. This is the breakdown maintenance cost per day, which means that now we can conclude since breakdown maintenance cost is greater than preventive maintenance cost, because 3375 is larger than 2,500. Preventive maintenance is better to opt or adopt. That will be the solution for this particular question. This is question 5 related to maintenance management. For the following 2-year data, calculate the average number of breakdowns per month. So again, we will create one table, one column to the right. This we will consider it as variable X, that is number of breakdowns. This is this is frequency F. So here we will create F and E will calculate F into X. So first one 0 into 3 0. This is 5. This is 16. This is 15. This is 12. If we add all this, 7 plus 6 13 18 48. So we can say now average number of breakdowns per month will be summation F into X divided by summation F, which is 48 by 24. That means 2 breakdowns per month. So that is the solution for this question. This is question number 6 related to maintenance. For the following data, calculate the expected number of breakdowns per month. So the number of breakdowns, we'll consider it as variable X. And the probability, the corresponding probability, we'll consider it as variable Pi. So expected number of breakdowns can be calculated as, it's nothing but expected value, which we call it as expectation of X, which is nothing but summation I equal to 1 to N. This is general Xi Pi. Here N takes the value 5 because there are 5 X observations. So let us calculate Xi into Pi here. First one will be 0, second one will be 0.38, third one will be 0.8, fourth one will be 0.45, last one is 0.2. Now if we add all this, we will get 1.83. So the expected number of breakdowns is 1.83 breakdowns per month. So that will be the solution. This